Praise be Jesus and Mary. But woe to you who are rich, for you have received your consolation. Brothers and sisters, there was one principle in philosophy, which says you can know what is positive through the negative traits. No? Especially, I forgot the term, no? Especially when regarding God, no? Tungkol sa Ginoo, no? We do not have full, of course, because God is infinite, no? We only deduct some of his traits through negation or negative part. No? For example, if we are mortal, of course, God is immortal. No? If we are not omnipotent, God is omnipotent. No? So we deduct and we know who want those traits or characteristics of God through the negative part of us, no? As creatures, as human beings. The same thing we can deduct or we can say regarding the Beatitude. No? Si Lord sa atong ebanghelyo, no, dili lang yung blessed ang kanyang gisulti, no, or speak about. No? He speak also of the woe. No? Why? Because in order to emphasize the blessedness of those, he said, the poor, the hungry, no? He talks about also, he said also regarding those woe, no? Yung mga cursed na mga tao, no? For example, how do you know that you are poor in the kingdom of God? No? Because the rich, no, are those who receive their consolation right now. See? So dun pa lang makita natin, no, yung tinatawag na antithesis, no, contrast between the rich and the poor. And makita natin anong klaseng poor, no? It is not poor because you just dress poor, you live poor, no. Because your consolation your consolation is not like that of the rich. You find your consolation in God, sa Ginoo. A true poor, no, depends, trust in God, and put God, his possession, or her possession. No? Instead, the rich, no, kahit na ikaw ay nakatira sa barong-barong, no, o kaya isang kahig, isang tuka, no. Pero if you put your consolation, your comfort on the material things that you have, no, yun nga, no, nakakalungkot, di ba? Kung sino pa yung mahirap, siya pang maraming bisyo, di ba? Siya pang sabungero, siya pang nagsusugal. Huh? See? And that's not good. No? See? Jesus, no, in presenting the blessed and the woe, put really the importance why they are blessed, no, through those negative traits, no. Kaya nga sabi ng iba, no, magpasalamat yung mga magaganda sa mga pangit. Kasi kung wala yung pangit, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung maganda. Ganun din, no? Yung mga sexy, magpasalamat sa mga matataba. Kasi kung hindi ka nakakita ng mataba, hindi mo makikita kung ano talagang tunay na sexy. No? Siksik lang. Di ba? So see, brothers and sisters, no? We must know those things through those negative side. No? And Jesus is telling us, as a human person, all of us have a negative side. All of us has the good side. Of course, we have to put much emphasis on the good, but we must learn also from the negative that we have. No, kaya nga, di ba? Each one of us has different temperament. Tanungin ko kayo, alam niyo ba kung anong temperament niyo? Di ba? Pila ka temperament naa? How many temperaments are there according to tradition in the church? 4, di ba? Ano yun? Choleric, melancholic, sanguine, and phlegmatic. Yan yung 4 na temperament, no? Choleric, melancholic, sanguine, phlegmatic. No? Kung ikaw, ako, pwede tayong mapunta dun sa 4 na yun. Either of the, and every temperament, whether choleric, phlegmatic, melancholic, no? Every temperament has its negative and positive side. No? And that's why, brothers and sisters, we must not be amazed. Huwag tayong magulat, ay bakit na ganito, ay bakit na siguro. Because we are only human. We have this kind of temperament. No? What is important is that we ask God to help us to know better ourselves, no? In order that we may know the negative and learn from them, so that we may amplify what is good and positive in our lives. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Please all stand for the prayer of